G'day everyone, welcome to Dave's Driven. Today, we're going to adjust the valve lash on the L28. Feeling me, bro? Terrible. Alright, valve lash. What is it? Look, I'm no scientist. Basically, it's the little valves going up and down. You got intake, you got exhaust. There's different gauges for them. Engine's got to be hot. Engine's got to be cold. Whatever. Do it your way. Don't listen to me. We're going to be doing it hot today. Symptoms that your valves, lashes, needs adjusting is your car kind of sounds like the crocodile from Hook, you know what I mean? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, and just like the captain I start twitching. Can't have that. Let's get a little example. Not outrageous, right? But you can definitely hear it kind of sounds like a diesel tractor. So by adjusting this, gives you the proper valve clearance. Stops that ticking noise, makes it run tippity top. Let's get to it. Top dead center. See number one, top of that crank there. Now we can check our clearances. 0.3 millimeters. Slide this in, and we should just feel a little bit of resistance. It's feeling a little loose there, so I'll need to tighten that up. These are all you need to do this job, and the feeler gauge. 17 mil for your lock nut, 14 mil for your adjust. Feeler gauge, it's an exhaust, it's hot, should be 3, still a lot of play in there. Excuse me while I get that. For it coming off your radiator, the small one, to your left. Yep, follow that.
That goes to the water, yeah?
Yeah. That bottle there, open that up. So adjusting now, lock nut, and you spin this little guy until your feeler gauge gives you just a little bit of resistance on the way out. Tighten the lock nut and you're done. Move on to the next. Now, in case you don't know, that's the sound we didn't want. That's the sound of me messing up. That's the sound of me either confusing one of the lifters, intake exhaust, measurement, or maybe I just talked too much to the neighbours and the engine had cooled before I had a chance to finish adjusting it. Since I've just been in there, skills refreshers a daisy, warming the car back up now, and we're going to give it another shot because this is embarrassing. It's all back together, round 2. Just try not to embarrass myself, shall I? It's worse than when I started. See, now I've done this before. Truly I have. And the last couple of times I did it cold. And I got a much better result. Really defeating. Let's go take another look. Oh, you're taking a spot again. I'm gonna take this apart again. Third time's a charm. That is very, very disappointing. All I've managed to do today is make it worse. Now you guys get to watch me fix it. Won't that be interesting content? Super refreshed. Stepping away from it, I realized what I did wrong. Followed the FSM too literally. Said to set first lobe, or number 1 to top dead center, and the first lobe facing up, and then to do a few at that sequence. But from when I've done it before, you want to rotate it so the one you're checking, its lobe is facing up. What I mean by lobe is on the camshaft, it looks like a bunch of eggs, and think about your Easter egg traditionally, the way it's sitting, that egg shape. That's where you want it, from my experience. Not a mechanic. We're going to do that now, fire her up, see if it makes a difference. I think it will. I'm confident with this one. First start, fourth start, it's a charm. Sounds a lot better. Alright guys, well I think that's about it. That's how you don't and do adjust your valves. The lifters, whatever you want to call them. Best bang for buck under the hood thing you're going to do by yourself. Mess it up a couple times. All you got to do is get it right once. Then you're cruising. Ah, it's so nice. So nice. When you got that older car and it's making a noise, no matter how flash it is, you're like, so dirty on it. When you get it running just right, doesn't matter if there's a little chip in the paint or anything like that. When it's running right, it is right. Alright guys, that's it from me today. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time.